If you are looking to stop recurring charges on your Google account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that has the subscriptions you want to manage. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Payments and Subscriptions to view your current subscriptions. Step 3. View Subscriptions. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, tap on Subscriptions. This will display a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Google account. Step 4. Select the subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and tap on it. This will open the subscription details page where you can see information about the billing cycle and payment method. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. On the subscription details page, look for the Cancel Subscription option. Tap it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the end date of your access to the service. By following these steps, you can successfully stop recurring charges on your Google account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider checking Google's Help Center for more detailed guidance.